good, baby? What's good, baby? What's good, baby? What's good? It's your girl, the real Fatima B. As we already know, it's a lit week on my channel, and I am back today with another challenge. Today's challenge is going to be the no burping challenge, baby. Y'all suggested that I do it, and today I'm going to try to do it. I had to try to drink this Sprite without burping. Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Baby, it almost exploded. Let me see. Alright. I don't even drink soda no more. But today's video is definitely has to be done. I know y'all out of school, y'all out of work because of this coronavirus crap. Make sure y'all wash your hands, please, and cover your mouth when you cough. I can't hold it. My stomach was hurting. My stomach hurt. I don't drink soda on a regular. This is disgusting. And for all of y'all who keep asking me to do it. I'm gonna try to drink a big gulp because this is hurting my stomach. My stomach hurt. My stomach hurt. Oh my God, my stomach hurt. My stomach. I can't do no more. My stomach hurts so bad. It's almost gone. Y'all are crazy and I'm crazier. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. I'm sorry that it was so short, but I just wanted to give y'all a short video today because we are totally off schedule. I'm going to be giving y'all videos all week because I know y'all out of school and I know y'all out of work and y'all need some entertainment, baby. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you get in that comment section right now and let me know what's good, baby. Get the chit chat and go to my Instagram and spam the real Fatima B, and it's lit.